Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be opening the Style 4 Ever Lava Lamp. And today I'm also here with my favorite guest, T. Hi! Okay, so let's start the video. So we're going to start by opening this side. So on the box, as you can see, it's a really nice lava lamp. It looks like a big crystal and it's got many things inside. So what you have to do is mix all the ingredients, then decorate the lava lamp, and then turn on to activate. On the front it shows you what it comes with, and it comes with a decoration bag, 3 decoration sheets, some water beads and some stickers. Now we're going to open it to see what's inside. Okay, put this aside. First, let me take these pieces off. As you can see, the lava lamp is a really nice pink and shiny color. And there's a nice crystal hanging here. And this is the lid to take off so you can add the water and all the decorations. At the bottom, we've got the place where you put the batteries inside. And once you have and you want to turn on, these are both the buttons. So in here is the bag with all the decorations. It also has instructions inside. There are the sheets that you stick in the lamp that turn around. There's a unicorn one, a mermaid one, and a flamingo one. Here are some of the beads. We have see-through, pink, purple, and turquoise. We've got some colour for the water. There are also some sticker sheets which you could decorate your shiny parts of the lamp with. And last of all, there's just some different glitters. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to stick around to watch our next demo video of the lava lamp. Bye!